Hello everyone, so welcome back to the channel, and this is the day 2 of my September challenge. Of course, each and every single day of this month, which is September, I'm actually going to post a video about how you can make money on the internet. So what you need to do here is just go ahead and just watch this video from the beginning to an end. So today I'm going to show you guys the difference between the website of Adsterra and the direct link of Adsterra, how it works, how you can make money with them, and which among them is going to help you earn a lot of traffic, as well as which among them is more safe for you to use the more to make a lot of money, right? So the first thing to do is just go ahead to this particular YouTube channel, which is Mr. Henry. We are currently watching the video with Mr. Henry's channel. So just go ahead and subscribe to my channel here, like it, leave a nice comment, and don't forget to share this video with your friends. Also, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop such an amazing content just like this. All what I do is to make money with you guys online and nothing else. So if you're interested in how you can make money online, you're interested in money tag, Adsterra, propeller ads, hit up, just go ahead and just subscribe to this particular YouTube channel, and let's keep moving. So the first thing you need to do is to have an Adsterra account, all right? So just go to your browser or your website, just type in Adsterra, and it's gonna show you something like this for you, all right? So once you get here, what you need to do is just click on the login button here to either sign in as an advertiser or a publisher. Now, if you're interested in signing in as an advertiser, then you are also going to start promoting a brand or offers to different people out of your country or where you want that particular offer to reach a targeted audience, right? That's what you're going to do with the advertiser aspect of the promotion, right? So with the publisher aspect, you're actually going to use the website and the direct link of Adsterra to make money out from Adsterra. So Adsterra is a safe platform you can start making money with. I'm not going to lie, right? So because Adsterra is going to pay you with a good income. It has been in existence for many years without any scam notice. You can rely on Adsterra make a lot of money out here. Now, let me show you guys how you can start using websites and direct link. Because a lot of people have been asking this same question for a longer period of time. And today, let me just show you guys how you can use it. So once you're interested in the publisher, just click on the get started button here, and automatically it will take you through all the process in getting your account ready for you, like filling in your email, your telephone number, and all the necessary procedures. And if you want to know how to do that, please go ahead and check my videos here. I have a particular video about the introduction to Adsterra, money tag, and everything. So you just come through and watch it out here. Now, once you log in, you have something like this. Of course, this is my demo account I mostly use because I don't use my main account. I don't want people to see my main account most of the time. But if you want to believe me on how I make money, just watch my previous videos because some of my previous videos I'll be showing my Twitter account in those videos. Okay. But this time I'm not going to show it anymore. All right. So the first thing people have been talking about is the direct link here. Right. So this is direct link. Right. This is direct link. We mostly call it smart link. So don't get confused. Others call it direct link. Others call it smart link. Once you come here, you have your smart link here. All right. So at this session, I think the network is kind of, yeah, it's active now. At this session, you have what is a add smart link, all right? So once you click on add smart link, you're going to generate a direct link for yourself. Now you have a link which you can publish it for people to tap on it or click on it. And the more people click on it, the more you make money out from it. Right? That's what the direct links actually work. But you also have the website aspect here. All right, so you can see at the top here, it says add a website for yourself. All right, so what you're actually gonna do here is just click on add a website for yourself. All right, so just click on add website. Now, once you click on add website, here it's gonna actually tell you to add your website category, and then choose an ad unit format, how you want the ads to pop up on that particular website. So mostly, what I mostly usually do is for the sake of these videos and you want to make something professional, or you want to make something cool, or make some cool money from Adsterra, you don't have the money to go in for a format or a formal website, you can use the blogger.com. All right. So mostly I've been using the blogger.com. You can just go through blogger.com and learn more about blogger.com, and you can make it look like a professional one. Right. So I mostly I've been using the blogger.com in most of my videos because I don't want most of my subscribers to be to actually struggle to get a formal, because with this you're not going to pay for anything. There is nothing for you to use or do, but yet still you can use it as a professional look, and then you're good, right? So let's say I have this particular website, or have this work here as let's say I have this as my cat tutorial. All right. So for the sake of this video, right? So I'm just using it anyhow, right? So let's say I have this one as my blog, or as my blog, people react to it, or people engage to it, so I can make money with. All right. So what I'm actually gonna do here is just come to this aspect, say view blog. All right. Once I click on the view blog, it's actually gonna load my domain for me to use that particular blog. But make sure you post something in your blog. Else, if you don't post, you're not going to get the reaction from people. Right. So let's say I have this here. All right. So what I'm gonna do is just go ahead and copy the URL of this one, right? And then come back to my Adsterra and just paste it at this. Okay. All right, once you paste it, you have something like this. Now you can create a blog, and if you're not giving the blog a particular content, then you're not going to make anything out from you linking your blog to Adsterra. So if you link your blog to an Adsterra and you're not producing content, or you're not writing some article, or not giving anything to your blog, then you're not going to make anything, because you have to feed your blog so people can react to it. And therefore, once Adsterra notice you're feeding your blog and people are reacting to it, they'll get the interest to make or produce the ads that you are going to put it on that particular blog. All right. So let's say I have this here. So this is a cat. Let's say I just made this video. I make this particular blog basically for animals. So it's about a cat sport blog. All right. Let's say I want to use it as let's see, let me scroll through and find out the best fit for this particular one. All right. So let's say I like to use it. Let's say others. All right. Let's say others. So are you willing to add, let's say, adult art content to it? If yes, just take yes. If no, just take no. All right. So choose an art format. Now, if you want to know the type of art format you choose, I made a video about this, right? I made a video here about the ad format. So if you come through this particular videos, all right, you might get to find out one of the video we talk about that particular ad format, right? So I explain to people how the ad format rates, which means that, which basically means how propeller ads look like, how the native banner looks like, how the smart link ads, this social bar ads look like. So if you want to find out, just go to the videos and watch it out there. All right. So I like to use the founder, all right, and click on add. Now it's actually gonna tell you to wait for a few seconds. It's gonna take 1 to 3 minutes, and will notify you by your email. All right, so click on got it. So you're gonna have to wait. It can see pending out. You're gonna have to wait that it finished with everything within first to, let's say, 1 to 3 minutes. All right, so this is all about the website. Now let's come back to the direct link. Now, if you want to use a direct link, just come to this aspect and click on direct link, and this is the adult and the mainstream. The mainstream simply means non-adult, which means that what the ads which are going to pop up are not going to be in the format of art, or let's say in the format of adult content. All right. So it's actually going to be non-adult. Can be some cartoons, some games, and other which are the non-adult. All right. So click on add, and it's actually going to take you to 1 to 3 minutes, and then you have to wait out here. All right. You can see this one is pending. All right. So once you're done, that give us, or that bring us to the topic of the day, either website or direct link, which of them is well appropriate. Now, for me, per my experience that I have in making money with Adsterra, what you need to do is to use a website more secure. But for the sake of we cannot build a website and promote the website, that's why most people prefer direct link. But if you want your account to be more safety and more secure, so that Outsterra can see that what we are gaining from the what the source of traffic you are gaining to make money are organically, they have to use website. But sometimes the smart links or the direct link, it works faster and most times too it's easily to promote them. So if you have a direct link, so let's say I have this particular direct, let me try to refresh the page and see whether my smart link is ready. All right. So um I just refresh the page and just want to find out if my links or my request has been approved, and then I'll show you guys how it works. Now, if you want to use the direct link, the direct link sometimes it's mostly faster and easily to promote, unlike the website. All right. So for the website, you have to link your website to your you have to link your blog to the Adsterra account. From there, you have to promote or you have to feed your blog with a content, and you have to start promoting, which is a very difficult thing to do. But with the direct link, what you're actually gonna do is to have a direct link where a particular direct link. Let's say I have this particular direct link. Um, all right, so this is my direct link. All right, so let's say I have this direct link. Once I just copy it and paste it out here, you can see it's more easy. Let's say I have let me copy the link here. Let me just come and post it out here. Just paste it out here. Check it out. All right. So once you just paste it and just click it out here, it's gonna take time to reflect due to my network issues, but I'm sorry for that for today. All right, so you can see it is actually, so this is the direct link. It's easily for you to promote it. So it's actually going to show you some ads here. So it's mostly saved for you if you embed it in a post. So you can go to your chat GPT, tell you to write some article for you, then you make an edit in that particular post, then you insert in your direct link, and that is actually going to help you. But with the website aspect, you have to come here and get to your website. So this is the website I recently added to my Adsterra. All right. Now, once you have this, click on the down button here. All right. Once you click on the down button, it's gonna show you something like this. All right. So it says get code. Click on the get code. Now you have to copy this code here, and then once you copy this code here, come back to your blog. All right. Once you come back to your blog, what you're actually gonna do, come to this aspect of your blog which says come to this aspect of your which says um the theme, all right, which says the theme. Come to this aspect which says edit HTML. Now you have to make some settings and input in what you copied from this aspect, what to copy from this aspect, and then insert it at where it says edit HTML. So if you're interested in that, just leave it in the comment section, and in my next video I'm going to take time to help you guys just insert in the code into your HCM or any website you've gotten out there, so that your Adsterra ads will work directly in your website or your blog website that you have out there. So sometimes it it very it's very difficult, and most times take much time when setting up your blog accounts or your blog website to your Adsterra, but it's more safe, and it also helps you to gain organic source. And once Adsterra want to take a review to your work or your how you're making money with them, they will get to know that what you're earning is more safe. And if you're also going to use direct link to promote your money. So let have this link here. So this is the direct link I this is the direct link I paste it in the website. So this is the type of ads they're actually going to promote it on people's ads or on people's website. So once people click on it, they're going to have something like this using the direct link. All right. So this is the direct link. it's easily for you to promote, but sometimes it's not easily for you to promote it bare or raw. You have to insert it or have to make it in a tricky way or in a convinced way people will not exposed to the link anyhow. Because some of the social media platforms are not going to allow you to put a link without attaching anything. Something like Facebook, TikTok, WhatsApp is actually going to help you do that. But do you have such engaging people on websites on WhatsApp? No, you don't have. You have to post it on YouTube, on TikTok, on Facebook, and other social media platforms out there. All right, so you have to make sure you get the best thing out from it. So in all, what I'm actually trying to tell you is that it's better for you to use a website to make money on Adsterra. But if you want to use a direct link, please, I advise you get a website, attach it. Even if you don't want to use a website, just have something and attach it to your account so that once Adsterra want to review the account, they will get to know you have a website and which you are gaining something organically from your website. Meanwhile, you are not making anything out from you are not making anything out from your website, but you are using a direct link. But it's just a simple, a tricky way I'm showing you guys. Else, if Adsterra find out you are gaining source of traffic from a place or where it goes beyond their rules and regulation or whatever, your account might be banned, and then you'll be wasting your money, you'll be wasting your resources, and everything will be in vain. So just make know the difference between these two. Because I recently created an account using direct link, and these two accounts were banned automatically just because of me using direct link, because I use it at where I'm not supposed to use, or it goes beyond their rules and regulations. So please make sure to note that. Go ahead and subscribe to this particular YouTube channel. Join the WhatsApp group. Of course, the link can be found under the description of this particular video. And I hope this particular video gave you some insights about direct link and websites. Thank you very much for watching. Like this particular video, leave a nice comment, and hope to see you in my next video.